Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile private. So let's get started. Go to your Steam, go up here to Steam, and now go to settings. Now go to, privacy settings, and now you have all of these things to deal with. But really, only one thing interests you, and it's this, my profile, and it says public right now. If you click on it, you can do friends only. Well, it means that only friends will be able to see your profile, and private, nobody, not even your friends. So carefully choose between these two options, I guess. And public, of course, means everybody can see your profile on Steam. Uh, Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.